This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Setting up the comparator. The comparator tab in the project option dialog sets which differences between files will be reported or ignored when a project is compiled. Generally, the only time you will need to change settings in this tab is when you add extra detail to the PCB, such as design rules, and don't want those settings removed during design synchronization. If you need more detailed control, you can selectively control the comparator using the individual comparison settings. For this tutorial, it is sufficient to confirm that the ignore rules defined in PCB only option is enabled in this image.